Okay, we have the abdominal cavity and the thoracic cavity. When you opened the thoracic cavity, you opened the rib cage, and the heart was surrounded in a white membrane called the pericardium. If we look up here into the throat area, you have the larynx, which is the voice box, the trachea, or windpipe, which has the C-shaped cartilaginous rings, and underneath that you have a pinkish tube, which is the esophagus. I'm trying to pull it up there. The esophagus. Okay? In terms of blood vessels, we have blood that drains down from the head, deoxygenated, from the jugular veins, and it joins up with the superior vena cava that will go into the right atrium. And then oxygenated blood being delivered from the left ventricle up through a pair of arteries, the carotid arteries that go now up into the head. Okay, so we have the subclavian arteries and veins also that are taking blood to and from the arms. When you look at the heart, remember, left and right sides are reversed relative to your own. The auricles, or these dark leaf-like looking things, represent the extensions of the atria. So you've got the right atrium and left atrium on the other side, right ventricle and left ventricle. Remember, the ventricles are pumping to either the lungs or the body, so they have to have a lot of contractile force, so they are thick and muscular. The atria are just contracting to push blood to the ventricles, so they are smaller and less muscular. The heart is supplied with nutrients itself through the coronary artery, which runs along the septum, which you can see here.